absolute value inequalities with distances. We want to write each statement using an absolute value inequality. So for our first example, we have m is no more than 9 units from 3. So if m is no more than 9 units from 3, we know that we'll have the absolute value of something. And then this keyword no more here tells us that we're going to be using a less than or equal to. And we have a 9 units. So m is no more than 9 units from 3. And that will be our solution here. T is within 0.02 units of 5.8. So we want to figure out what our distance is. Distance is 0.02. So it's within. Within is a key because it means it's going to be contained in and not including that potential value. So you're going to want to use a less than 0.02 units. And then we know it's going to be the absolute value because we're talking distance here. So T is within 5.8 units of, or within 0.02 units of 5.8. Using absolute value to model some tolerances. So suppose y is equal to 5x minus 2. We want y to be within, again, that's going to be a keyword, meaning we want to use the less than sign, 0.001 unit of 6. For what values will x be true? Let's set this up. We know that it's going to be within, so it's going to be contained within there. And then our unit is 0.001, and our equation is y is within 0.001 unit of 6. So if it's within that unit from 6, we can go ahead and say y minus 6. And we want to go ahead and plug in our other equation that we have, which is y is equal to 5x minus 2. So let's plug that in. Okay, so doing a little bit of simplification here, we will end up with the absolute value of 5x minus 8 is less than 0.001. Now, if it's within, we know that we're going to have our 5x minus 8 sandwiched in between these two values. So 5x minus 8, and then we'll have the positive 0.001, and then we'll have the negative 0.001. Go ahead and take care of your constants on both the right and left hand sides. And that will leave us with 7.999 less than 5x, and that will be less than 8.001. Divide right and left hand sides by 5, and you're left with 1.5998 is less than x, which is less than 1.6002. So your final solution, you can go ahead and write 1.5998 and 1.6002.